Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So we have successfully completed the AJAX requests using the fetch API method. So now we will learn about how to do using the third-party library Axios. So as you people are already aware of this one Axios thing, so I have already covered so many of videos regarding this Axios in React.js, in Vue.js like that. So if you want to take a look at that one, you can take a look at it in the Vue.js course and also in the React.js course also. So Axios is a third-party library. It's also a promised base, just like the fetch API, so which we can use it in the both browser and the Node.js. So there are so many options are there in this one. I don't want to go deep into this Axios. Already we have did this one in React.js and also in the Vue.js we have did whatever interceptors and all those things we have did it. So if you want to learn more about those things, you can learn there. I don't want to cover those all things. Just I want to explain you how we can do a AJAX call using this third-party library like Axios. Axios is also just like simple how we have maintained this library AJAX library like fetch. The same scenario only it will be there. So it's not more than that one. I will try to explain you. Here I am copying this one and I am pasting this fetch here. I am renaming this one to client-Axios. Okay. So now here this is same. So here there is no need for us the API, AJAX library, these are all the things. There is no need for us. Why? Because we are already using the third-party library. So this is our own library which we have created. But there now we will be using this Axios library. So we can delete out this one. Normally installing of this Axios can be done in different ways. So like we can use the npm install Axios, like that also we can use it. But here I don't want to go deep into that one. So we will be going cdn.js. So here you will be able to get the Axios library. You can add the script directly, Axios. Okay, so this is the Axios. And let's open this one. Yeah. So here you'll be able to see the axios.min.js, right? So let's copy this one. And here I'm pasting this here. That's it. So this is a simple way how we can use it through a CDN. Or otherwise you can copy this entire file and you can maintain a local copy and you can use it. Or otherwise you can use the npm install and you can use it. So either way is okay. So whichever method is comfortable for you, you can use it. I want to explain the process. That is the reason I'm explaining. So fine. Installing of Axios is completed. So the index.html and everything is one and the same. And let's go to the app.js. So here this is also the one and the same only. So first we'll try to do the fetch post. How we can do it. So in the fetch post, so here somewhere down you'll be having, right? So here we are calling this AJAX library and all the things, right? So there is no need for us. And directly we can call axios.get and you need to give the post URL. So here what I can do is, so I can copy this one all. So that's it. So axios.get post URL dot then. So you can use the dot then. And here what I can do dot then of. So you will get the response directly. So let's try to do the console.log of response. Console.log of response. So what will be the response here? I will paste here. This is all the code and I will comment on this one so that we can have a future purpose. So let's try to see what will be the output for this one. So now I need to open this one in the live server. Let's open this one in the live server. Oh, it will take some time to open that one in the live server. Let it open. I think everything is saved. Server started. Yeah. So now we are having this Axios, right? Let's go to the inspect element and we have did for the get post. So fine, let's go into here. Yeah, so we are trying to import this Axios slip which is not available, so we can remove it. So here let's go into the top and here I can remove this Axios slip. Yeah, fine. Now everything supposed to work. Yeah, we no errors. I click on the get post. We are getting the post. I think okay, so we haven't started the server. Let's go here, cd server. Let's go to the server, npm start. So I am starting the server. So if it starts, the server has been started. So let's try to do it. Come on. Server time, it will take some time, sometimes Node.js to start. I don't know. So now the server has been started. Let's try to see the here. So now if I click on the get post, see I'm able to get the data in a different way. So the data we are able to get it in a different way. So first one is the configuration. What is the configuration we have set it? And the second one is the data, the actual, what I can say, the response, the data which is coming from the server. And also you can see it is coming as a JavaScript array. And also you can see this is all is a JavaScript object, not a JSON object. Okay, and here we are having the response headers. What is the response headers we are having? And this is the request, how we can make it. So request is XML HTTP request, and the status we are getting is 200 and okay. So here we are getting the data in a data variable. So that means the data is in data variable. Now there is no need to have the multiple dot then operations. There in the fetch API, you are getting the data as a readable stream, and that readable stream we are converting it into JSON. So like that we are doing so many of things, right? But here there is no need for us to do these all the things. So here we got the response. The response, everything we will be containing. So that post data we will be containing it in the let post is equal to response.data. Okay, in the data we will be having this one. And remaining all is one the same only. So I can copy this is all and I can paste here directly, and I can do something like control KU. Yeah. And I can remove this one all. That's it. So Axios.get post URL response, and if you want you can use the catch of error, and you can do console.log of error. So whatever you want to do, you can do it. That's it, finished. We have completed everything. So Axios returns a promise, and we are having only one then. So Axios does all the things for us. So it will convert the readable stream into a JSON, and also it converts into a JavaScript object, and all those things it will do you for you without any problem. And that then response, in this response we are having different types. That is nothing but data and all those things we are having. In the data property you will be having the complete data. So that is the reason we are using response.data. There you will be having directly with the response things, but you are using dot then 2 times, right? It's a chaining, but here there is no need for us. So the Axios will convert accordingly to the content depending on the content type. So whatever the server returns the content type, so depending on the content type, it will convert it that one. So if it is an application/JSON means it will automatically convert into your JavaScript object. If it is a text/plain means it will convert it to like that. Axios will take care of everything. So there is no need for us to convert manually to JSON.parse or to convert a JavaScript object. Those all things there is not needed. So like this we can do it. Now here let's try to see whether we are able to get the output or not. If I click on the get post, see, now we are able to get successfully the request. So here that thing what I am trying to say. So here the response we are getting application/JSON. According to that one, it is converted into the JavaScript object. And here these all the things are sent by the request header. So accept application/JSON or text/plain or star.star. So like this it is accepting. So it doesn't know, right, which one we are trying to send. And we are having this one all. Okay, so these all the things are sent by this one. So this is as this one is a simple CORS request, nothing will happen. So here we are trying to send the access control allow origin, so because of the CORS request. So this is the simple Axios thing. So how we can do it? In the next video we'll try to complete put, fetch, what is that one, put, post, and also delete we'll try to complete using the Axios. It's a very simple thing. So if you understand the fetch how we have did it, the same way we'll be doing it the Axios also. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.